Hi guys, welcome back. So I want to keep reading the book that we started yesterday, Where, and today what I want to focus on is sounding like the little brown bear, using our character voices while we're reading, because now that we kind of have an idea of how he's feeling, we can now sound like the character, right? So yesterday we looked closely at little brown bear and we noticed that he's not happy, right? Take a second and refresh your memory. Look at the picture closely and try to figure out how little brown bear is feeling again. So just by looking at him, we notice that his eyes are open, his mouth is open, his fingers are in front of his face, he's shaking, right? He's definitely feeling scared. He's definitely frightened. So we need to make sure that we sound scared and frightened when we're reading this book. So let's take a quick look at the words of the story. Now, there are some words in here that we do know. So there's the word, let me see if I can write it out for you. Hold on. There's the word is, I, S. Now, that's a sight word that we know, right? I-S spells is. Now, there's this word too. M-Y. Now, that's a word that we might not know yet. That word is my. And then there's this word right here, the title of the story, where. So you'll notice, where is my? And then he's wondering, where is my? Maybe it's his mom or his dad or his house or his bed, right? So he's asking, where is my mom, my mother? Where is my father? So you'll see those words when we go through our story. Now, let me just skim through. I want you to see if you can notice those words really quick in a snap. Oop, I see where. Do you see any other ones? Is, my. Good. See if we could spot these on the next page now. Because remember, we're turning these words into snap words now. Where is my? Where is my? Good. So we're noticing a pattern. We're noticing words now that we can turn into snap words, right? So let's get started. I am going to start first. I'm going to read the first page. And now remember, I'm looking at the picture. I'm noticing how little brown bear is feeling. He's like this. Definitely very scared. So I need to make sure that my voice matches how the character's feeling. So I need to make sure that my voice sounds scared. Would I say it like this? Where? Asked little brown bear. That doesn't sound right. No. Little brown bear is not calm like that. He's not like, where? No. He's very scared. He's saying, where? Asked little brown bear. Do you notice how now my voice matched how little brown bear was feeling? Where? Asked little brown bear. Now it's your turn to try. Try this one. Now take a look at those words. Think about, what is that character thinking? Who is he thinking about? You should sound something like this. Ready? Where is my mother? Right? Because he's so scared. I sound so scared. Where is my mother? Where is my mother? Try the next one. Now, he's not gonna be wondering about his mother now. He's not asking where my mother is. Take a look at the picture. He's asking Mr. Frog. Make sure you sound like the character. You should sound like this. Ready? Where is my father? Where is my father? Good job. Now, if you said, where is my dad? That's fine too, but you need to make sure that you remember to get your mouth ready and look at that first sound. So, I see an F here. F says Where is my, and now you could look through the whole word, father. I see an R at the end, and he's thinking about his father. Where is my father? Try the next one. Make sure you get your mouth ready and check the picture. Maybe you sounded like, where is my house? That wouldn't be right, no, right? Because he's not calm. He's sweating. He's so scared. He's sweating. So he would sound like, where is my house? Where is my house? He's thinking about his house. Now you could have said, where is my home? And yeah, that makes sense, right? He's definitely thinking about his home. But if you made sure to get your mouth ready and look through the whole word, you would notice it starts with H, but I see an S in there too. House. Home doesn't have an S sound in it. So it's where is my house? All right, guys, good job. Let's see if we could do one more. I want you to try it all by yourself. He's so scared. He's saying, where is my bed? Bed. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. You could tap that word out if you didn't know it. Where is my bed? All right, guys, good job matching your voice to the character's feelings. We're going to keep working in this book for tomorrow, but I'm so excited for all of the hard work that you're doing. Great job, guys. See ya.